What is STM32 Blue Pill Development Kit? Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konak Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of STM32 Blue Pill Development Kit. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of STM32 Blue Pill Development Kit, such as its advantages, programming and development, and some practical applications. So, let's get it started.
Konak's Research. Subscribe now.
The STM32 Blue Pill Development Kit is based on the RISC architecture belonging to the STM32F103C86 microcontroller, which is a more powerful 32-bit ARM Cortex-M3 based system from ST Microelectronics. The board offers higher clock speed, more flash memory, and SRAM compared to the Atmega 328P based Arduino Uno, making them well suited for more advanced applications. It is also called the blue pill board due to its blue colored PCB and possibly as a playful reference to the movie The Matrix, where taking the blue pill means staying in comfort, perhaps alluding to how easy it is to get started with the affordable board. Its affordability, powerful features, and wide range of applications make it ideal for educational projects, IoT, and automation. Advantages of STM32 Blue Pill Development Kit. The board is centered around the STM32F103C86 microcontroller with the following key advantages. Number 1. It can operate at up to 72 MHz with high computational and floating point capabilities suitable for real-time and computation-intensive applications. Number 2. It includes up to 37 general purpose input outputs, UART, SPI, I2C, timers, PWM, etc., accommodating various application scenarios. Number 3. It offers various low power modes like standby, sleep, and stop to extend the battery life, which is ideal for low power applications. Number 4. The board uses ARM Cortex M3 core compatible with multiple development tools and software packages, which ensures the high development efficiency. Number 5. The board is typically priced less than 500 rupees in India, making it an accessible entry point for learning microcontroller programming and prototyping for hobbyists, scientists, and professionals. Programming and development of STM32 Blue Pill Development Kit. The STM32 Blue Pill board programming can be achieved through various methods. Number 1. Arduino IDE. With the STM32 Duino library, it can be programmed like an Arduino, though it requires a USB to UART converter for initial setup. This method is popular for beginners and easier for Arduino users to transition to STM32 due to its familiarity. Number 2. STM32 Cube MX and Kill Microvision. For more advanced development, these tools allow for the detailed peripheral configuration, debugging, and optimization, catering to professional applications. Number 3. STM32 Cube IDE. This is an official IDE from ST Microelectronics providing professional development tools for STM32 chips. Number 4. ST-Link V2. A debugger programmer provided by ST Microelectronics, often included with some blue pill kits for direct programming and debugging via SWD and JTAG interfaces. Number 5. Platform I/O. This is an advanced environment that also supports the STM32 chips and allows development in multiple programming languages with better debugging tools. Number 6. Keel MDK and ARM GCC toolchain. These professional tools are also in practice for embedded system design development, offering optimized performance and debugging capabilities. Some practical applications of STM32 Blue Pill Development Kit. The Blue Pill versatility is evident in its wide-ranging applications. Number 1. Ideal for learning embedded systems with various online resources providing guides for programming and multiple tools. It supports experiments with ADCs, DACs, PWM signals, and practical microcontroller applications. Number 2. Useful in sensor nodes, wireless communication, and smart home systems, leveraging its communication interfaces like I2C, SPI, and USB. Number 3. Suitable for servo and stepper motor systems due to its PWM timers, with research showing its use in DC motor control with genetic algorithm optimized PID parameters for improved positioning accuracy. Number 4. It leverages its ADCs and communication interfaces for sensor-based projects such as environmental monitoring systems collecting temperature and humidity data. Number 5. Used in process control, monitoring and logging with its real-time processing capabilities, supporting drone controllers for precise control and data processing. Number 6. Recently, the development board used in innovative areas such as IoT-based remote laboratories for education, where students connected and programmed the Blue Pill board remotely enhanced the practical learning during online education. Conclusion. The Blue Pill board, as compared to the other STM32 boards, is a robust and versatile platform for embedded system development. Its affordability, power features, and wide range of applications make it ideal for educational projects, IoT, and automation. However, challenges like counterfeit chips, limited memory, and programming complexity underscore the need for careful hardware selection and potential upgrades to newer STM32 boards for more demanding applications. Now, users are shifting to newer boards like the Black Pill based on STM32F411, which offers higher performance but lacks some features like dual ADCs. Whether you are learning about the microcontrollers, prototyping a small scale project, or exploring the world of embedded systems, the STM32 Blue Pill is still an excellent choice. Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
Konux Research, subscribe now.